They want us to get the integral of 5x sine 3x. Again, we do the assigning, as I've already said, that for us to deal with this kind of equation where we are using integration by parts, we need to ask ourselves three important points. Is the log term present in the given equation? No. Is the power of x present? No. So if the two are not present, then the exponential function is taken as u. So here, this will be our u, and what remains automatically will be our dv. So this is our dv. Now, u equals to exponent 5x. So we differentiate this equation with respect to x. Therefore, du dx, when you differentiate this equation, you get 5 exponent 5x, meaning du equals to 5 exponent 5x, then dx. So that's the value of du. Then we are saying that dv equals to sine 3x. For us to get the value of v, we integrate this equation on both sides. We integrate dx. So when you integrate dv, you have v. When you integrate sine 3x, we get minus cos 3x all over 3. Do you remember the integration by parts is given by uv minus the integral of v du. So we have our du, which is this one. We have our v, which is this one. Therefore, we can move on and do solve the given equation. Therefore, the integral of exponent 5x sine 3x dx will be equal to, we now apply the formula, which is this one. So we have our u, which is exponent 5x, then our v is negative. So we shall have, start with the negative there, then cos 3x, then all over 3, then minus. Now the integral of v, our v is minus cos 3x all over 3. Then we are through with the v, then our du is 5. Our du is now dot 5 exponent 5x, then dx, then dx. Therefore, this equals to now minus exponent 5 x cos 3x all over 3. You can see we have constants here. We have 5, we have 3, and then negative and negative becomes a positive. Therefore, we have plus, then 5 all over 3. Now the integral of, now we have cos 3x exponent 5x, then dx, then dx. At this point again, you can see we need to do the assigning. So this exponent 5, this one will be our u, this will be our dv, it will be our dv cos 3x. Therefore, this equation becomes minus exponent 5x cos 3x all over 3 plus 5 all over 3. We again solve this, applying the integration by parts. My u is exponent 3x, exponent 5x, so I have exponent 5x, then If dv is this one, therefore v will be, we interpret this equation, our v will be, sine 3x all over 3 minus the integral of sine 3x all over 3, and then du. If u equals to this, our du will be 5.5 exponent 5x then dx. Close the bracket. Therefore, this equals to minus exponent 5x cos 3x all over 3 plus 5 all over 3 into exponent 5x sine 3x all over 3. We take it out a constant, which is 5 all over 3 minus 5 all over 3, the integral of sine 3x exponent 5x then dx. Again, you realize that at this point we need to continue assigning dv dx, dv and then du, and you can see that we have reached where we started from, integral of 5x sine 3x, which is this one. Therefore, at that point we let k equals to the integral of 5, the integral of exponent 5x sine 3x then dx. So if that is the case, then the equation becomes k equals to minus exponent 5x cos 3x all over 3 plus 5 all over 5, where 5 all over 3 into exponent 5x sine 3x all over 3 minus, so here you can see 5 and 3 will also here, so we have that, so 5 minus 3, so this is so we have this minus that, then plus 5 into that, so minus, so this is k, so it will be 5 over 3 k, 5 all over 3 k, like that. So this k equals to minus exponent 5x cos 3x all over 3, then plus this will be 5 exponent 5x sine 3x all over 9, then minus 25k all over 9, multiply 5 times 5, 3 times 3, so 25k all over 9. We're up here. So we have, so this crosses equal sign with this side, it's negative, it will be positive. So we have k plus 25k all over 9. This one equals to, let me start with the positive, 5 exponent 5x sine 3x all over 9 minus exponent 5x cos 3x all over 3 all over 3. So this is 1. The LCM here is 9. 1 into 9, 9 times k, we have 9k plus 25k. This equals to, can factorize up to the common factor, that is exponent 5x all over 3. So we have exponent 5x all over 3 into, so here we remain with 5 sine 3x all over 3, then minus cos 3x minus cos 3x. This is the same as when you take 9k plus 25k. We have 34. We have 34k over 9 equals to exponent 5x all over 3 into 5 sine 3x all over 3 minus 3x cos 3x. So if you want to remain with k alone, then you multiply through by 9, so that we have that 4k equals to multiply through by k by 9. So we shall have times, we have 9 times exponent 5x over 3 into 5 sine 3x over 3 minus cos 3x. 3 are 1, 3 are 3. So we have that 4k equals to 3 exponent 5x into 5 sine 3x over 3 minus cos 3x. But if you want to remain with the k alone, then we divide through by that 4. Therefore, k equals to 3 over that 4 exponent 5x into 5 sine 3x over 3, and then minus cos 3x as a constant of the equation, plus a constant of the equation. But k equals to the integral of exponent 5x sine 3x dx. Therefore, the integral of exponent 5x sine x 3x dx equals to 3 over that 4 exponent 5x into 5 sine 3x over 3 minus cos 3x. Thank you for listening.